So it's April 26th, still in the midst of home isolating due to the coronavirus pandemic. So I live in Iowa, and it's definitely time to get the radishes in the ground. So I'm going to start by making rows that are 1/2 inch deep. Let's get started. So I'm just going to take the corner of this cardboard and start making rows. You could just as easily use a corner of a 2x4. Get these rows into the ground here. And since it's a raised bed, I'm going to put the rows fairly close together. Yeah, that looks good. I'll do one more row. Crimson giants get really big, and they need a deep turned soil to grow well. Lots of nutrients. That's about all the crimson giants I want to do this year. Next I'm going to put my cherry bell seeds in. And my radish garden's going to mostly be cherry bell. Try to give them at least a couple inches of space. Alrighty. That's good. I'm going to gently smooth the soil back over and water evenly. Just kind of marking the center of the raised bed so I can keep from mixing the carrots and the radishes. I need to find another stick here. There. That should be good enough. Now I'm going to water. That looks pretty even. There you have it. I'll show you what those look like once they sprout. It's May 3rd and I'm starting to get some radish sprouts. You can see them coming out of the ground there. They're just little yet. Alright everybody, it's May 15th. Let's find out what's happening in the garden today. The radish sprouts seem to be thriving well. They're starting to get their true leaves, as you can see here. So some of them are a little bit too close together, like these two for example. You got this small dinky one growing right up on this nice healthy one. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that one right out of the garden. They say you should thin your radishes to at least 2 inches apart. And this would be a decent time to go through and actually thin them. Here's a couple smaller sprouts coming right up on top of each other. So, yoink. Anyway, doing pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and water the radishes and give them a nice even drink with my trusty budget watering can. I like to make sure it's a even watering. Gotta get this side a little bit. There. That looks good to me. I'll give you another shot of them true leaves. These are your sprout leaves, and these are the actual true leaves right here. They'll get a lot bigger as the radishes grow. It's May 27th. Let's see what's happening in the garden today. I see our radishes are looking like they're about ready to be harvested. You can see them sticking out there. The top's coming out through the ground. This one here is definitely ready. So, and there are quite a few of them in here that could come out, getting pretty big. General rule of thumb is to harvest once they're about 1 inch in diameter. So there's quite a few ready to be harvested today. When I'm harvesting, I don't do anything special, but just yank it right up out of the ground, pull it out straight, and there you have yourselves a radish. Ooh, that one's nice. I think there's going to be quite a few of them coming out of the old garden today. We've been having lots of rain and they swell up pretty fast when it's raining that much. Anyway, I think there's going to be quite a few, so let's time lapse this. Looks like some ants got to that one. Rats. There you have it. 17 cherry bell radishes, all about 1 inch in diameter. Took me about a month to grow this variety. Now the Crimson Giants are going to take maybe a week longer before they're ready, and you harvest those at about 2 inches in diameter. See, a quarter is about 1 inch in diameter. So they're very close. Well, thank you for taking this journey with me, growing some radishes. As an added bonus, I thought I would show you what one of these Crimson Giants looks like. Really big one. Oh, I really gotta grab this one by the stalk. So as you can see, these ones got just a little bit bigger in size. Have sort of a crimson color as described.